Solicitor General.
Thank you very much. We're here with the chairman and leadership of the Speakers Conference, the Solicitor General of the Federation, and SSA to Mr. President on Niger Delta, who has been a member of the Technical Committee on the implementation of the autonomy of state legislature and the judiciary. Together with the Chief of Staff to Mr. President, we've just finished a meeting on how to put finishing touches and dotting the I's and crossing the T's on the final implementation of the financial autonomy of the state legislature and the judiciary. We have made reasonable progress, and we have agreed, after receiving the final report of the technical committee, to meet on Monday because of the urgency of the matter and finally resolve whatever issues are there.
So are you expecting in any near time the call off of the strike, current strike by the judicial workers?
We have just finished talking to the speakers and indeed the state chief judges and the judiciary to continue to engage, and the Minister of Labour is also engaging with the striking bodies to appeal to them to appreciate the fact that we have made reasonable progress, and then they should call off the strike. We are appealing to them in the interest of this country. They should call off the strike.
It is said that this is an issue that shouldn't have, dragged for so long. What exactly is the problem that has made it so difficult for it to?
What I can assure you is that all of us are committed to building institutions, particularly our parliaments and our judiciary in our respective states, as governors democratically elected, and we are doing whatever it takes to make sure that whatever the issues are resolved. As I told you before, some of it are constitutional, and then when matters have to do with the Constitution, you have to be sure of what you are doing, and that you are actually following the Constitution.
I think the key question that many Nigerians are asking is that, are the governors in support of financial autonomy for...
From the very beginning, during the 8th Assembly, under the leadership of Bukola Saraki and Speaker Dogara, the Governors Forum under Abdulaziz Yari then met with them and supported the financial autonomy for the state legislature and the state judiciary. And that was why, with that support, we were able to achieve the passage of these amendments by the National Assembly and the state legislature across the country. So the governors are unequivocally in support of the autonomy of these institutions.
Sorry, if you have achieved amendments in the Constitution, then why do you need for the President to go with an executive order rather than the Constitution itself?
Well, it was in the wisdom of Mr. President to constitute that committee, which he has constituted, and I am not in a position to just question the wisdom of Mr. President on that.